Today, we'll be making this flat back space-saving Christmas tree, or some might call this a wall-mounted Christmas tree. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a regular, hi! I am so happy to see you again. You can make this tree using faux pine branches or real branches like I did. It takes around an hour to make and can be reused yearly if you use faux pine branches. For the full list of supplies, visit the link in the description section. To begin, start by laying out your dowels and making sure they are equal lengths apart. Then, secure your dowels with some nails. Make sure your nails are a bit offset. This will help avoid any wood cracking. Following that, lay out your pine to see which pieces you'll be using and start by securing each piece with some floral wire. The idea is to build the outer shape of your tree, then fill in the center. Secure each branch in at least 2 separate places. When you're filling in the center of your tree, you'll want your branches to sit in an upwards position, fanning out from the center. Here's what the backside looks like. You can also add some Christmas lights by simply wrapping them around the back of the dowels. I added some bark I found outside to create a more realistic tree stump. To secure it to your wall, you can use some 3M hooks, then tie some twine or rope around your dowels and hang it onto your hook. And that's it. I hope you like this space-saving Christmas tree. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome home decor DIYs. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. That's it for today. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.